welcome and thank you for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. We are so glad to have you here and we are excited to know your experience at Drone Expo 2026. So let's start with a couple of questions. Please introduce yourself and tell us about your company.
Okay. So actually, this is Jiva, founder and CEO of Recnaile Private Limited. We are manufacturing all the UAV components. So ideally, we can say it's a one-stop solution provider for end-to-end drone components. So if you want to build your own drone companies, you can just come to our company and you get all the parts and make your own brand of drones. So that is what we are specialized here. And we start from all the components like from transmitters, receivers, and flight controllers, and GPS, multiple variants we have, and PDB boards, and current sensors, motors. So all the products we have it. At some products, which is in the very beginning stage, let's assume the flight controller, we have it only for the FPV type drones for now. And we are continuously working in the R&D side to develop the next layer of next version of flight controller similar to all other products. So the ideal motto for us is like any person who wants to build their own drone, they can come to us, they can purchase our products, and if they want to purchase like a kit, they can purchase it, they can build their own drones. So that's the motto we have it from our company.
That's nice, sir. Which is the heroic product that you're showcasing today at Drone Expo 2020?
The first major product I can able to talk about our transmitters. So the transmitters, like this is purely made, designed, and assembled everything in India. And this is a more prime product because most of the companies relies on the overseas products, but this is purely designed and developed in India only. So this is the main controller which operates the drones. So that's the prime product I can able to talk. And the GPS is the secondary product. This is purely 100% made in India.
That's great, sir. In your views, what is your strength that makes you unique from others?
Yeah. So the strength is like we are very strong in the electronic sides. So especially when you think about the last few decades, especially in the last decade, if we take that's the growth we found in the UAV industries, right? The people still struggling in this component size because government is now they are making more components in indigenous side. When it comes to electronic side, there is huge demand, a skill gap from the our country itself. Because semiconductor industry, we are in the very beginning stage right now. So that's the main focus. We have it on the electronic side, so that if you grow in that particular area, and that becomes a more strong backbone for the UAV industries. So that's the more strength for us for now.
That's nice, sir. What message would you like to share with your customers, visitors, and the people who are visiting your booth?
Mm-hmm. So maybe to my customers, what I can say, if you need a quality indigenous product, you feel free to reach us anytime and you visit our company anytime, which is located in Hosur or near Attibali, Bangaluru border. So these all are purely made in India, designed, assembled, manufactured in India. And to the visitors, maybe the people who are just thinking about launch their own drone startups, I would recommend them to must visit our company or visit our team so that they can find which package suits for them rather than investing their time on finding, okay, what kind of motor I have to design, what kind of transmitter I have to, where I need to purchase. So without any tension, they can purchase all our indigenous components to make their own drone ecosystem.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope you have a great experience at Drone Expo. So we are bringing it again in the month of September in New Delhi. So would you like to participate again?
Definitely, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.